Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, yeah, let's see anong meron sa career nyo, mga water signs natin, no? So, anong mga paparating, possible, or mga sitwasyon sa inyong career, no? So, and also, tignan natin anong pwedeng mga relaxing mode ang pwede nyong gawin within this week, no? For the stress reliever, no? Para sa inyo mga water sign, no? So, and of course, last is kuha tayo ng mga possible lucky numbers or color for you for this week din, no? Also, no? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here, no? Para sa career nyo, no? Mga water sign. 2 cards, no? So, yeah. Tignan natin anong meron sa career ng mga water signs natin, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, what is this? So, yeah, no? You have this psychic abilities, no? So, for some of you, no? Kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito, no? So, it's a confirmation, no? You have this psychic abilities, no? Kung nagtatanong kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, this is a confirmation for you, water sign na you are a psychic, no? You have these abilities, no? Sa iyong sarili, no? Or for some of you ay soon magiging you have this ability, no? So, you have to discover it, no? So, maybe nadi-discover nyo na ito sa sarili nyo, no? Mga water sign. And what else? Yeah, you have this ex-lover, your enemy in life, no? So, yeah, no? Maybe that's why may kinalaman sa psychic abilities, no? So, malalaman mo kung sino tong enemy mo, no? So, itong enemy na ito is your ex-lover, no? So, sinisira niya, no? For some of you, water sign, no? So, sinisira niya ang iyong career, ang iyong finances, no? Some of you, no? So, siya ang dahilan kung bakit may pagbagsak for some of you ng inyong finances right now, water sign, no? So, but then, if you are, kasi you are this psychic na, so meron ka ng nararamdaman something like that, water sign, no? So, but then, gather more information pa, no? Para mas concrete ang evidence, no? Something like that, no? But then, alam mo na rin kung sino ito, water sign, no? So, tignan naman natin anong relaxing mode for you this week, water sign, no? Kuha tayo ng 1 card para naman sa stress reliever mo, ma-relieve ang iyong stress, no? Something like that, water sign. Kuha tayo, no? Ng isang card for you, no? So, kuha na lang tayo dito. So, ano ito? Ano kaya ito? Water sign. So, you have this deep breathing, no? So, yeah, exercise your breathing, breathing exercise, no? For some of you, no, water sign within this week, no, gawin nyo yan, no? So, kung kailan kayo mas, siguro mas maganda is, kung makikita mo rito ay may stars, no? Maybe sa gabi, pwede mo siyang gawin. Punta ka sa labas, no? Something like that. Kung sa may gate lang, mas mare-relax kayo, deep breathing, no? So, inhale, exhale, no? Something like that, no? So, mawala yung stress nyo, no? Gabi-gabi ay gawin nyo ito, mga water signs, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa inyo rito, no? Connect ka sa labas, no? Something like that, no? I-connect mo yung sarili mo sa nature during night time, no? So, mas makaka-relax yun para sa iyo, water sign, no? So, deep breathing exercise, no? Every night within this week for you to relieve your stress, no? Something like that. And of course, kuha na tayo dito ng 6 cards for you for possible lucky numbers or color for you this week, no? Water sign, no? So, yeah. Kuha tayo ng 6 cards, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, para sa ating mga water signs, please. We have 2 cards na. So, 4 more cards, please. Para sa ating mga water signs. So, meron na. So, ilan na yan? So, I think 1 more card na lang po, Universe, no? May 5 cards na tayo. 1 more card para sa ating meron ng nag-glitch. So, you have 3, no? So, tignan na natin yan. Water sign, no? Ano ito? So, may color din tayong nakuha, no? So, tignan natin. You have this 49, 3, 14, 51, 42, and you have this color white, no? So, for some of you, water sign, no? Because this is for you, no? So, water sign, no? So, kung makakita kayo ng mga numbers na ito, no? Within this week is may marireceive kayo na good news, no? Something like that, no? Kung may mga hinihintay kayong mga result, whatever it is, no? Ay positive ang result, no? So, something like that, no? So, kung may makita kayong numbers, no? Within this week na ganito. Or, for some of you na tumataya-taya, no? Something like that, lotto or whatever, no? Pwede nyo rin tong tayaan, no? Kung saan nyo gagamitin tong numbers na to dahil para sa inyo naman tong numbers na ito, right? No? So, yan, no? So, pwede nyo ring rumble-rumblein yung mga numbers na yan, no? So, and of course, you have this white, no? So, you have this white color for this week, no? So, this is your lucky color for this week, mga water sign, no? So, you can wear white, no? White top, whatever, or pwede kayong maglagay lang ng anything white na bagay sa inyong gamit, no? Around you na pwede nyong dalhin anytime, no? Anywhere, everyday, no? Within this week. So, you can attract positive energy, no? Positivity, no? So, positive results din, no? For you water sign, no? So, yeah, that's it for you water sign, no? So, I hope may nakarelate din sa reading natin today. So, yeah, that's it for you water sign, and God bless you all water sign, and thank you for watching water signs.